that belt.
What? Take the silencer out. Another S2000 completely restored. S2000 completely restored. Hopefully we can start this thing up soon. Pull the motor out of this. Completely did a head over. Put everything back together. Engines back in. Going to Affirm. Probably start this thing up. What? Probably start up what? Tomorrow? So how long it took you to rebuild the motor?
It took us forever.
Forever.
Especially when you don't have parts.
Right.
Especially
yeah, this thing.
It's waiting. That's not
this thing came in with a blown motor, guys.
motor.
No,
Look at the transmission.
Everything blown. Transmission blown. Oh yeah. What the?
That's part of the tranny. The other half is the motor.
Motor and tranny. Oh. So yeah, we do refreshes. We do this, but mainly all-wheel drive. But there's nothing we can't do really. But we mainly concentrate on manufacturing.
You want to do the honors of starting it?
Starting it right now?
Yeah, right.
Crazy? With what? With what? What? The key?
For you.
Don't try to close my hand. Waiting, cab. And a real butt. Wait. Real.